Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to find archived chats on Messenger using the updated method. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. Launch the Messenger application on your Android smartphone or tablet by tapping on the Messenger icon. 2. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top left. In the Messenger app, locate and tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the Messenger menu. 3. Tap Archive. From the menu options, select Archive. This action will display all your archived chats in Messenger, allowing you to access and view the conversations that you have previously archived. By following these steps, you can easily find archived chats on Messenger using your Android device. Accessing archived chats helps you organize and manage your conversations effectively, ensuring you can revisit important messages whenever needed. Thank you for watching, and enjoy rediscovering your archived chats on Messenger using these simple steps.